Welcome back to Dream4 Tech. In this video, we are going to see temperature sensor, DS18B20 temperature sensor. These components are used in this video. Schematic diagram. Let's see how to connect the components. Look the schematic diagram for reference. Connect VCC, output and ground. Connect VCC and ground with Arduino. Output of sensor to GPIO2. Sensor connected with Arduino. Now connecting Arduino with PC using USB cable. Let's see how to install the library. Open Arduino. Go to Sketch, Include Library and click Manage Libraries. A dialog will open Library Manager. Type the name of the library and wait some time. Install the library. Close the dialog box. Now I am going to open the example program. Go to Examples, Dallas Temperature and Simple. It will open the simple program. In the program, see the line given 1 wire bus 2, that is GPIO2. It doesn't need analog to convert in Celsius. The sensor itself gives digital output. Now I am uploading the code. Code uploaded. Open serial monitor. It will show output and fast scrolling. To slow down this, we need to give delay in serial output. Close this window. Find the serial output of the Celsius value and type delay 1000. 1000 means 1000 milliseconds. That means 1 second. Now upload the code. Open serial monitor. Now it's showing second by second. This is the Celsius value of the temperature sensor. Thanks for watching. Support Dream4 Tech by liking and subscribing. See you on next video. Until then, stay tuned with Dream4 Tech.